Hello everyone, I hope you all are well. Welcome to my channel, Eye Care Advisor. We all are using contact lenses. Many of us are using contact lenses. Contact lenses is a medical devices which help us to see clearly. But we have to use that contact lenses responsibly so that it will help us to see clearly and we can maintain the health and hygiene of the eyes also. Because if we don't use it properly, there is a chance of eye infections, redness in the eyes. So friends and viewers, today I will tell the top 10 tips of how to use the contact lenses safely and we can maintain the health and hygiene of the contact lens also and our eyes also. So first of all, the point number 1, wash your hands with the soap and water before wearing the contact lenses and make the hands dry. Secondly, whenever you are using the contact lenses and inserting the contact lenses, place a towel in front of the table so that if it falls, it will fall on the towel. Sometimes we are wearing the contact lenses and the contact lens falls on the ground, so we cannot locate the lenses. So if you place a towel there, so it will fall there and it will be easy for you to find out the contact lenses. Thirdly, never sleep with the contact lenses until and unless it is recommended by the optometrist or by the ophthalmologist. There are certain lenses with which you can sleep, but it should only be prescribed by the optometrist and of the ophthalmologist. Then only you can sleep with the contact lenses. Fourthly, never use any water for the contact lenses. The contact lenses should not come in contact with the water, because in the water there are many microorganisms and microbes which can come in the contact lenses. It can contaminate the contact lenses and it will increase the chance of infection. Fifth, if you have any redness or irritation in the eyes, discontinue the contact lenses for that point of time. Never use contact lenses if you are having redness and irritation. Sixth point, always clean the contact lenses and the contact lens cases as prescribed by the optometrist. Always follow their advice. The cleaning of the contact lenses is very important, and you already know I already make a video regarding how to clean the contact lenses and the contact lens case and to take care of it. Always change the contact lens solution in the lens case. Before wearing the lenses, always clean it with the new solution and put the lenses, and at the end of the day, dispose the solution which is in the lens case and put fresh solution and then dip the contact lenses. Seventh point is, wear and discard the contact lenses and replace the contact lenses as prescribed by the optometrist or by the ophthalmologist. Never overuse the contact lenses, because overusing the contact lenses can cause chance of infection, irritation in the eyes, and it will be not very comfortable also. The eighth point is, always you should have a pair of backup glasses. If you have any irritation or redness in the eyes, you can use that glasses. So the pair of backup glass is very important. The ninth point is, the ladies and the women who are using cosmetics and wearing the contact lenses, you should always wear the contact lenses first, then use the cosmetics. And the same thing at the time of removing the cosmetics, first take out the contact lenses and then remove the contact lenses. The 10th point is, try to blink more to avoid the dryness. Sometimes with the contact lenses users, at the end of the day, they feel dryness. So if you blink throughout the day, the amount of dryness will be much less. So friends and viewers, as I have told you these 10 points, if you follow these 10 tips, it will be much more easier for you to wear the contact lenses for a longer duration of the time and to maintain the health and hygiene of the contact lenses as well as your eyes. And the most important point after that all, check your eyes at regular intervals from the optometrist or with the ophthalmologist to assess the eyes, to examine the eyes and the health of the contact lenses. The regular visit to the optometrist and the ophthalmologist is equally important. So friends, this is the 10 points what you can follow. And if you like my video as per the other videos I tell, please like the bottom to subscribe to my channel also, and you can share it with your friends so that they can also get the knowledge. And if you have any queries, you can just write in the comment section. I will give you a reply to that. Thank you very much for watching this video today. And as of now, bye bye. I will come back again with another topic. Thank you.